Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can create an expiration item. So the first way to create an expiration item is coming here and clicking on expiration items and clicking on our expiration item. So I would say this is the hardest way to create an expiration, to be honest. So because you have to enter a lot of information to actually set up the expiration item. So first here, I can choose what is it that I'm going to be tracking, and then I can choose, let's say I'm going to track this for John Smith or whatever, and then I can choose the expiration date, right? And then upload a file, and any custom fields will be created there, okay? But once I create that expiration item, I can look it up over here. So here is the one that I just created, right? If I click on, I have all the information over here. I can add more data here if it's needed or change it. But if I click on view record, then I can see all the details about that expiration over here, okay? I can add contacts, people who will receive that notification. So let's say if I need Ari to receive a copy, I can just choose Ari here and put it there. Any attachment that I need to upload, I can upload it there. Location, companies, notes, anything that I need to add to that expiration. Upcoming notifications will show you the upcoming notifications for this one, and the audit log will show you a trace of everything that has happened with this expiration. So that's it, right? You just create the expiration and put the expiration date. But why I say this is the hardest way, because I would recommend that you create expirations within the context of what you're tracking. And what do I mean by that? So what I mean is, if you're tracking employee certifications, then what I would suggest is that you come in here, go to your people here, look for the person you want to track expiration dates for. Let's say for Tom here, click on view record, and I can very quickly see here if I want to add a new expiration. So it's the same process. If I click on new expiration, I can just select the document type here and select the expiration date. But what this will do is that it will automatically attach the contact to the expiration item. So once I create it here, I don't need to do anything else. I'm done, okay? So I don't need to change anything or to update anything in the expiration. The system will automatically attach it there, and that's it. I don't need to edit the contact information for expiration item, okay? If I'm tracking expiration items for vendors and companies, then I can just click here on company, look for that company, and same idea, I can just add an expiration over here, or just click on view record and create a new expiration over here, okay? And then just choose the document type and same idea. Same will go for locations. Just look for the location, and equipment if you have an equipment, or a vehicle if you have a vehicle. It's the same idea. You click on that vehicle, view the record, and create a new expiration. So, and it will be automatically attached to that vehicle. So that's why I say, if you want to create an expiration item, go to the context of what you're tracking and then add it there. But if you don't have any context, then by all means, just use the expiration items here and create it from there. It also works. There's no bad or good way. I just think that this one is, you need to configure more, okay? Thanks again for staying, and remember to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.